Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of flavors with a recipe for spicy seafood and beef medley. Let's jump right in. Begin by gathering your key ingredients: small octopus, bamboo shoots, beef, and mung bean sprouts. Clean and slice the beef. Add a pinch of salt and marinate it in a mixture of starch and water for 15 minutes. Slice the bamboo shoots and blanch them in boiling water for 3 minutes. Drain and arrange them at the bottom of a bowl. Next, blanch the mung bean sprouts for 3 minutes. Drain and spread them in the bowl. Chop the green onions, using the green part for garnish and cutting the white part into segments. Slice the ginger and mince the garlic. Heat oil in a wok until it's hot. Stir-fry the garlic and ginger until fragrant. Add the white part of the green onions, dried chili pepper, Sichuan peppercorns, and dopanjang. Stir until the oil turns red. Now add chicken powder and enough water to cover all the ingredients. Once boiling, introduce the small octopus and marinated beef slices. Pour in light soy sauce and chili oil. Let it cook for an additional 5 minutes until the meat is fully cooked. Adjust the seasoning with salt and the starch water mixture to lightly thicken the sauce. Once it thickens, transfer it to the serving plate. And there you have it, spicy seafood and beef medley ready to tantalize your taste buds. Give this recipe a shot and drop a comment letting me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.